Hey t-shirt fanatics, this is Rick with 613 Originals, makers of custom screen printed heat transfers. Today we're going to discuss the importance of color spaces in your design software and the role it plays when ordering our unlimited color heat transfers. Following today's tips will get you more accurate colors that you and your customers expect every time. Here at 613 Originals, everything we do is 100% screen printed with Plastisol ink. If ordering from our 1, 2, or 3 color programs, a new screen stencil is made for each color. This type of printing is called spot color printing.
Spot color printing is the most popular form of screen printing. It is when pigmented inks of your specific colors are added one at a time, compiling your artwork color by color into a finished product. This method will ensure that you get accurate and consistent colors every time because we use the Pantone matching system, the international standard for color referencing.
All of our stock colors, with the exception of some of our specialty products, will have a Pantone reference number. Ordering Red 187C today will be the same Red 187C from another printer a decade ago. We highly recommend you get your hands on a Pantone formula guide, solid coded, so you know exactly how those colors are going to come out. You can also use this helpful tool to show your clients what to expect. If you don't see that color on our list, you can always order a custom color from our gang sheet program. Just know the PMS reference number.
Most popular design programs, like those offered by Adobe and Corel, will have color libraries containing these Pantone colors that you can easily assign to the elements in your design. For spot color printing, you will use the Pantone solid coded library. This is the best practice for spot color printing. Process color printing is how most commercial images are reproduced, as this form of printing uses only 4 base colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, to achieve nearly unlimited colors. These ink colors are also printed one at a time, but in a series of small dots at different concentrations and with the aid of a white underbase. This will allow for great reproduction of most spot colors, color transitions, and photographs. Great care must be made before submitting your artwork to ensure we print the colors you expect to receive. Much like spot color printing, the best practice will be assigning swatches from the Pantone libraries available in Adobe and Corel to the elements of your artwork. For process printing, you will use Pantone Color Bridge Coded Library. While this is the best practice for process printing of spot colors from vector software, other steps must be made for non-vector artwork. Starting with your artwork in the proper CMYK color space is key.
The 2 main color spaces to concern yourself with are the aforementioned CMYK and RGB, or red, green, blue. RGB is used primarily for digital displays, like your monitor or your phone, while CMYK is used for commercially reproduced products going on a substrate like paper, plastic, or in this case, fabric. RGB has a different color range than CMYK. While something may look very vibrant on screen, it may print differently.
Ensuring you start your design process in CMYK or converting your image to CMYK and adjusting the colors in your design space will have better results when you receive your transfers. While this may be as easy as just changing the color mode in your design software, there are some advanced ways to check color values. Most image software will allow you to sample a specific color in your document and display the CMYK values. You can then edit them carefully to have them fall within the specifications of our printing standards.
In the description below, we've included a link to a CMYK reference guide that can help you while determining values for our unlimited color programs. There's also a link to our super versatile Varsity formula, as well as our Soft Hang Classic formula. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and as always, thank you for watching.